Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on the course Shell Programming. So we are in the process of learning how to write down the shell script. Okay, I hope you all are clear with the basic things like how to open the editor, how to write down the program, how to save that one, and what is the command we need to use to execute the thing. Okay, as part of this we already learned about different types of variables we have. Okay, and also how to read the values from the user at the time of executing your program, and what are all called as command line arguments. All these things I hope you all are clear. In today's class, we'll see about different types of operators that are supported by the Linux. We already know in C programming language, Java programming language, and Python programming language, they also have their operators that are supported by them. Here also, we have these operators that are supported by the Unix. We have these types: arithmetic, relational, Boolean, bitwise, and string operators. Okay, so in today's class we'll see a brief discussion about what are all these types of operators we have. So the first type of operator we have is arithmetic operators. So we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and assignment operator. So whenever we want to assign the values, you can give this one. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and equal to operation if you want to do, then you can perform that operation using a command called expr command. This is a new command to you all. Please make a note of this one, all of you. So we can use a new one command which is called as a expr command. By using this command, we can perform the arithmetic operations. Okay. Note down this point, all of you, because earlier while learning the commands we did not learn this one. Okay, to perform operations. Now how can we use this one? I'll tell you what is the syntax we need to follow, and how with an example we'll see. So this can be done in multiple ways. I'll tell you 3 ways. We have 3 ways to do this one. The first way we can do is, let us consider you have stored 2 variable values. You all know how to store the values. So let us consider you have stored the values in A and B. 2 variables we have stored the values, and you want to store the result in a sum variable. Now if you want to perform the arithmetic operations, let us consider addition operation. The same way you can do the subtraction, multiplication, division, and all. Now if you want to perform that operation, the syntax first way is you can write like this: sum equal to, you need to use the back quotes. We already learned about this back quotes at the time of learning the command substitution. Back quote is available on your keyboard, where on the top of your tab key is there. On the top of that one you have a tilde key. Along with this back quote is there. So you need to use back quote, and then you need to write expr is the command, and then give space, give the variable value $a, and then give space, and then you plus, and then give $p, and then close the back. Understand here? Understand here? This one, this here and here, the space is required. The space between the operator, before the operator and after the operator, is must. Okay? Understood, all of you? Are you following? This is the first way, using the back quotes. Second way we can use is sum equal to $, and you use the command expr and give space, give $a. Instead of using back quotes, we are using the $. Okay, space plus space $p. Got it? This is the second way. Third way is sum equal to $. Okay, within the parenthesis you need to give 2 times $a plus $p. $a space $p. So these are the 3 different ways we can perform the arithmetic operations on the variables. You can use the command expr command. Okay, make a note of this one, all of you. So let us see some examples using this one. Okay, so let us move to our terminal. Now what I want to do is I want to read the values from the user and I want to perform the operation. So for doing that one, let us write first the shebang. We all know what is the use of this shebang and all. We already learned in our previous classes. Okay. And then now I'll read the input from the user. I'll give a prompt message asking the user enter first number. Okay. And I will be storing that one in A and read -p -p enter second number. In detail about this read command we already learned in our previous classes. Okay. Now I want to perform the addition of A and B. How can I do? You can simply do like this. Sum equal to, I'll go with the first way. Okay. Sum equal to what we can do, single quote, back quote. You can go with expr. Okay. And then $A space plus $B and close the back quote. Got it? Now let us display this one. Echo sum is, okay, $sum there. Got it? So now let us run this program. Control yes. We'll move here. So you know this is the command we need to use. So enter the first number. Let me give 10. Second number 20. Did you see? We get the 30 value. Got it? Similarly, if you want to display, I'll replace this one as a result. Suppose if you want to perform subtraction, give minus symbol. Okay. I will store it in R. I will give the variable value as R. Okay. Now save. I am doing with the second type of operation. Yes, minus. Okay. Save this one. Run our program. I'll give 20 and I'll give 10. Did you get? We get the subtraction operation. Okay. Now, if you want to perform the multiplication, star. Save this one. Let us check whether it will work or not. 2, 4. Did you see? We did not get the output. So whenever we want to use the star, no, you need to use this symbol, this place. Okay. Let us check whether we could able to do that or not. Did you see? 2 into 3. So make a note, all of you, whenever you are using star symbol, like multiplication if you want to do, you need to use this slash and this star. Similarly, we have other type of operators also. Hopefully you all know, I think, division operation is used to get the quotient, and this operation is used to get the modulus operation. Okay. Division operation is used to get the quotient and modulus operation is used to get the remainder. And we already used this assignment operator to assign the values. Okay, so these are all the arithmetic operations we have, and whenever we want to perform the arithmetic operation, you can make use of this command expr. Now coming to the other type of operation, that is relational operator. Now relational operator are nothing but whenever we want to compare two values. Now here you understand, whenever we want to compare two values, we can understand here, if you are using a bond shell, SH shell if you are using, then these commands E stands for, EQ stands for equality, NE stands for -NE stands for not equality, -GT stands for greater than, -LT stands for less than. Okay, so these commands can be used with SH, but if you are using a bash shell, no, any one of these two can be used. Understand clearly all of you what I am telling. If you are using bond shell, SH shell if you are using, then whatever I have highlighted here with the red mark, they only can be used. But if you are using a bash shell, any one of these two operators can be used. You can go with the traditional approach of using double equal to, or you can go with -EQ option also. Okay. Along with this, we have two more options. That is, make a note here. Along with this, we have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So -LE is for less than or equal to, -GE is for greater than or equal to. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 operators are there as part of relational operators. Got it? So what we'll do is, as these options hyphen EQ, hyphen NE, hyphen GT, hyphen LT are working for bash also, mostly we'll be using these operators only whenever we are comparing. Now for understanding these operators, we'll not write example here. When writing when learning the control statements, if statement, while statement and all, no, there I'll tell you the example with the relational operators and all. Okay, we have another type of operator, that is Boolean operator, where logical AND or not equal to is there. AND is nothing but if both the input should be true, then only it will be true. Or is nothing but if one of the thing will be true, input will be true, then it will be true. Okay, then we have an option of using ampersand, double ampersand, or hyphen A or hyphen 0 for logical OR. Similarly, we have bitwise operators, AND, OR, exclusive OR and complement, and with these are all the operations. You can see here arithmetic, relational, Boolean and bitwise operators. These are all can be performed on integer values. All these things can be performed on integer values. Okay. But if you want to perform on string values, if you want to perform operations on string values, then you can go with these operations. Okay, but just make a note of that one. So this is for string operations, only for string. String is nothing but collection of characters. Okay, I hope you all know that. Then you can go with equal to. Okay, how you can go with equal to? $A is one variable, B is another variable. A is holding a username and B is holding a password. Let us consider. Then if you want to compare those two, then $A equal to $B you can write. Okay, and not equal to is nothing but if they are not equal, then the condition, then it will return true. Okay, minus hyphen z. If you see, hyphen z is nothing but it is used to check whether the string operand size is 0 or not. If it is 0, then it will be sending the true value. Okay, hyphen 0 is used to check the string operand is 0 size or not. Hyphen n is nothing but it is used to check whether the string is not empty or not. If it is not empty, then it will be sending true. In the other case, sorry, I am confusing you. Hyphen z is nothing but to check the given string is 0 or not. Hyphen n is used to check whether the given string is non-zero or not. Str is used to check whether the string is non-empty or not. If it is not empty, then it will be sending the output as true. The result will be true. Okay, so these are all the different types of operators we have in the Unix. Arithmetic, relational, Boolean and bitwise can be performed on integer operators, integer input, and string can be performed, these operations can be performed on a string input. Okay, so these operators we are going to use in future while learning the control statements. Okay, hopefully you all are clear, but understand clearly we have learned a new command here, expr command. Just make a note of this one, all of you. Alright then, let us all meet in the next class. Until then, thank you all of you.